Calvin is making the chicken stuff. Then when you make it the chicken, how many kilo? Take 12 kilo.
12 kilo.
Take 12 kilo.
Yes.
And ginger garlic paste with the tomato. Then first is oil. Then is making the spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Then make his onion. After that, with the salt.
Yeah, salt. To make the cooking very fast.
Yes. Make it now ginger paste, ginger garlic paste. What the spoons?
Yeah, that's good.
Make it, yes. Put. One more. Yes, enough. Keep it there up. Spoon. Use the spoons.
Yes.
Burning come in. Make it fast.
Yeah.
Then you slow the gas. Fire slow. This is the Calvin from Kenya.
Yes. Very fast.
How about looking for the chicken?
Now next step we are going to do tomato. I like
Slow fire. Slow, yeah. More slow this one. Side. Slow, yeah. More slow. Yes. Like that, yeah. Then make it a piece.
Now we are making
Start. Turmeric powder. More.
what very good.
Yes. Cumin powder. Yes. Coriander. No. Only coriander.
Yes.
Coriander more.
Yes.
Cardamom. Yes, cardamom. Cinnamon powder. Yes.
Enough?
Put enough. Then garam masala, curry powder, Madras curry powder.
This one here.
Yes. Okay. Put. Little more.
Curry powder.
Yes, enough. वीडियो मिलेगा जरा बाद में मुश्किल नहीं पहले वीडियो बना. Yes. Now you know that.
Curry now.
Hey Calvin from Kenya.
I like the curry. Chicken
You like
curry
Indian
too much
curry?
nice. Yeah. This Sunday too much problem curry.
Little water. No need to burning for spices. Okay. No problem. When I am sending to you, I asking for about the spices all. Okay?
Okay.
Then you know that. Okay? Don't forget. Quick, put, quick.
Good.
No need to burning.
Yes.